everybody, it's Miss Gilbert. Today I'm going to teach you how to play a game about doubles. The game is adding doubles plus 1. So for example, if we had the double 2 plus 2, that equals 4, plus 1 equals 5. If we had the double 1 plus 1, that equals 2. If we add one more, that equals 3. If we had the double 7 plus 7, that equals, did you say 14? Good job if you did. 14 plus one more equals 15. So that's how the game is going to be today. So let me show you how you get to this game. In the email that your mommy and daddy got, there's a link and it will take them to this page right here. They're going to click on Thursday game day. And right there it says double trouble. It also has all the directions right there if you want to read those. But I'm going to show you anyway. So let's click on double trouble. And it looks like this. So usually when the teachers are explaining how to play a game in class for math, we ask for a volunteer. And we say, who would like to come help me show how to play this game? And we call one of our students. Well, I don't have any students here with me. So I'm going to ask my daughter Leah, who's sitting next to me working on her schoolwork, if she will help me play double trouble. So let me show you how this works. What we're going to do is we're going to click this dice to roll it. And we landed on the number 7. So what we need to do is double that number. Leah, what is 7 plus 7? 14. And then what's one more?
15.
So then what she will do is she will take her counter and put it on the number 15. Whoever gets all their counters on the board first is the winner. Okay, so Leah went first. It is my turn. I roll the dice. I got 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus one more is 9. So I'll put my counter there. All right, Leah, you ready?
17.
Okay, so she did 8 plus 8 is 16, plus one more, 17. So she's going to put her blue counter there. Okay, my turn. I got 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus one more is 11. All right, Leah?
7.
3 plus 3 is 6, plus one more is 7. Good job. My turn. 6. Okay, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus one more is 13. Boom. All right, Leah.
17.
Okay, so 8 plus 8 is 16, plus one more is 17. Correct. My turn. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus one more is 13. Leah's turn.
9.
Yep, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus one more is 9. My turn. Okay, 8 plus 8 is 16, plus one more is 17. Oh dear, there are no 17s left. So you know what that means? That it means I just don't get to put one of my counters down, and it's already goes back to Leah's turn. All right, Leah.
15.
Yep, 7 plus 7 is 14, plus one more is 15. And look, Leah got all of her counters gone. So Leah's the winner. Thank you for helping me. So see, that's a fun game. Okay, so you can play that game with your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister. But you can also play that game just by yourself. You could pretend that sometimes you're the blue one, sometimes you're the red one, and see which one wins. I played it by myself. It was still really fun. Double Trouble, it's a fun game. I hope you enjoy playing it, and we'll see you soon.